Oh, my name is Tony Hill. I'm an American citizen. I'm 27 years old. I'm from Arkansas. When I was 9.5 years old, I woke up seeing double vision. I went to a doctor, told me I had an astrocytoma on the left side of the brain, located on the main artery. Doctor told me the only chances I had to live longer, for sure, than 2 months was to have surgery and radiation. Naturally, that's what me and my parents did. Within several treatments of radiation and surgery, within about 30 to 35 days, my tumor grew back to full size. Several days later, doctors told my parents the only chance of survival at all was to have surgery, a lot more surgery this time, and chemo. Survival rate was about 10%. That did not go well with my parents because with surgery, it could have meant instant death for me. My parents didn't know if they wanted to do that or just let me stay home and enjoy maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or a month, whatever it could have been, enjoy that time with me. But before they had to make that decision, they heard about the Good Samaritan Clinic down here. So they called Dr. James. They told him what the United States doctor told him is not true. Here, there's hope. My parents just found that so hard to believe what they heard here, and to hear that here, that had to be the only option. When the doctor tells you have hope and another doctor tells you have none, naturally, we come here. We got down here, I'll never forget the first thing Dr. James told me when I sat down and shook his hand. If I would listen to him, he'd make an old man out of me. Well, that meant a lot to me. And after several treatments, I realized that he was right. I had a chance in life. And I went on and kept doing that, and I knew I was going to live for a long time. And when you come here, there's hope. There's always hope here, no matter what. When there's no hope, that ain't true. That ain't true. You got hope here. No matter what it is, you got some hope. Some people got a lot of hope. The treatment they do here is all natural. All natural. And to say that's hard to accept, I know. But look at me. 18 years, cancer survivor. I got one of the most rarest cancers known to man. 1 out of a million gets what I got. It is the second fastest growing cancer known to man. The longest person to live with exactly the same thing I got is 8.5 years. Dr. James, when you talk to him, you will know that he is secure. He is a very affectionate, caring man. That's his goal in life, is to get this clinic huge, a lot bigger, because there's so many sick people that need help. I know when he says something, I take it to heart because it comes from his heart. If you need help, and you need honesty, and you need hope and faith that you can make it through the problems you got, you need to come here. I'm here telling you this to take a chance that I can save someone's life, to let people know that there is hope. The clinic is a great place. Anybody that's ever come here that I've ever met said this is the most amazing thing they've ever seen in their whole life. And people that come here cannot even believe what they see, what they hear, and what they learn. I really want to thank you for taking time look at this video, and I really hope that you will take what I've told you from my heart and it touches yours, at least enough to call and get information, to have a chance to live a full life. The only chance I honestly do believe, if you've got a sickness of any kind of survival, is to come here. And all I want to do is help. Same thing as Dr. James. That's all he wants to do is help. And if you want help, you need to contact this clinic. And what you do from there is all up to you. I wish that the whole world knew about this. And I used to say my dream was to be able to tell the world that there is chance and hope, because I can't do that. Now I got a chance, a once-in-a-lifetime chance to tell people that there's hope, but with cancer and disease, because there is. Once you get here, you will find out that this is the greatest place you've ever been. You'll get the greatest feeling that you've ever had. I promise you that. And I hope you're listening real good, because what I'm telling you will save your life. It will. Thank you very much.